So let's see what they're talking about. I like some things already. Okay, Walmart, I see you. Looking good. Look at these pretty pastels. I definitely have to go back for these. Walmart is really doing it. Cute ensembles, jean outfits. These dresses are so pretty. Free Assembly is definitely one of my favorite brands. I see I have to go back and check out some of these and grab a few more. Welcome back, everyone. This weekend I went to Walmart, and I know I don't really talk about Walmart a lot, and I don't go there a lot unless it's for like essential things for the house or whatever. But lately, I've seen that they've had some really cute summer and spring type dresses, really cute, feminine, better quality dresses. The thing about Walmart is they have, um, when you shop online, there's different stores or boutiques that they sell for. And so some of them are online only, and you'll see a couple that are the dresses that I got yesterday, or when did I go? Yesterday, yes. Today's Sunday, so I went yesterday and got a couple of dresses, and then I'll share some items that I ordered that are on the way. And I was really pleasantly surprised because I don't really buy clothes at Walmart. Not that there's anything wrong with it. I just assumed that the quality was completely awful, but I think they've upped their game. And so I'm going to share some really pretty dresses with you. So let's get started. So if you know a lot about me, I am completely a dress girl. And so I had to go and check it out for myself because I saw some of these on ads that pop up and so forth. And I'm like, wait a minute, that's at Walmart? So I have my um, list here. I want to stay on task. So the first dress that I want to share with you, and I did a video last year, I believe, about wearing black in the spring and summer. And I think that that's okay. That's completely a myth that you shouldn't wear black. And I love black. It's like one of my favorite colors, if not my favorite. So the first dress here is by Scoop. And I didn't take the tag off, but this is a large brand Scoop. And it is like a drop waist. So pretty, you guys. And I mean, it feels the quality feels so good. And you'll see in the cutaway here, it wears so well. I can't wait to accessorize this in different ways, like the necklaces, even like, you could have a drop belt, different types of shoes that'll go from spring, and it's really lightweight. And so I would suggest, and this dress was, what does it say? It was about $34. Nothing here that I'm showing today is past $40, and that's really good. Why should you pay a ton of money for dresses you're only going to wear a couple of months, or unless you just live somewhere like California or Florida? But I don't live in those places, and I don't wear clothes just all year round, the same items. So I don't really want to spend $100 plus on a dress that I may not wear more than twice. But look how it wears. It's just so nice. And I love it. This is truly going to be one of my favorites. I already know. Now, this next dress is by Free Assembly. Look at the embroidered details, these flowers. Pretty. This is something you would think this was like Crown and Ivy, or but it stands on its own. It's Free Assembly. It doesn't have to be compared to anything else. This is 100% cotton. And when you have those natural fibers, you cannot beat it. This dress was $36. I've worn it already, and I got so many compliments because it's just really feminine. And I wore a cardigan with it to just make it a little more modest for a more formal type occasion. But I just love this dress, and you see in the cutaway how it wears. It's just so pretty. I love the fuller skirt. That's really my style. Just for day walking around, I would wear this to, like, you know, worship. I would wear this grocery shopping. I would just wear this doing work from home or whatever, because it is just so comfortable. And girls, just this channel, everybody knows that I'm all about just being feminine and cute, and wearing really nice things without breaking the bank. You don't have to. You know, I have dresses in my closet from Nordstrom, from Saks, and now from Walmart. Okay. And I also have some other dresses that I ordered, and they are so beautiful. I can't wait. Now, this is what I was talking about. Okay. So there's a dress. It is like a black and white gingham print, and this will be the first gingham print that I have, because I've never really gravitated towards that print. But it's a fuller maxi that is just really, I don't know, that's just really my thing right now for spring and summer. um and I just really love it, so I can't wait for this to come. And it is by Cala Fabula. It's a boutique that is on Walmart. Like, Walmart is serving as like a distribution center for this brand. So, and when I get this dress and I'm able to try it on and just really style it, I think it's gonna be so cute. And I'll just put a photo of it so you can see. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. And I don't know, Walmart is just really doing their thing. Now, this next dress is a tan smock dress, and it is by, it's Qonyney. Pony any, I don't know. I won't even try to pronounce it, but it doesn't even matter, because the point is that the dress is so cute and really feminine and girly, and you know just even like sexy without being too much. You don't want to just be all out there. And to me, it's not. It's just really feminine first and foremost. And I just love it. You can wear it on its own. You can wear it with a cardigan, your cute sandals, and things like that. I mean, summer is my time. I love spring and summer because, you get your pedicures, you're wearing your cute sandals, and your bags and things like that. So I'm looking at some raffia and different straw bags and things like that that I'm going to wear with these dresses, and just really make them look like $1,000,000 and just really put together. So check out Walmart. They're not sponsoring me or anything, not yet, but as of 2026, I am not sponsored by Walmart, but I'm going to speak it out there, because I really, as someone who has not really purchased clothes from Walmart, I am so pleasantly surprised. And, if people come on here saying, well, I don't shop at Walmart for XYZ reason, I shop wherever I want to, and I suggest you do too. So, I don't fall for all the protesting against certain stores and things like that. Honestly, that's not my fight. Yeah, this dress here, oh, my favorite. I think of these, this is probably my favorite because of the pretty details. And look at the back, real easy to wear, you guys. This is a time about easiness. I just want to be, I just want to put a dress on. That's why I like dresses. I don't have to figure out the top and the bottom. I have skirts, but I have way more dresses, as you have seen. And this dress, again, by Scoop. This size here is a large. I'm 6'1", and I was like, should I go up? But actually, It was even a little loose, you know, um, which is good because his dress is so forgiving. You wouldn't think so because it fits around the bodice like it's fitting, but the drop waist makes it look so, it's so slendering and it just really flattering. That's the word I'm looking for. But yeah, and this almost feels like a paper, like a soft cotton taffeta. I don't know, but Scoop has really pretty dresses. I have really, but I've been scrolling through their different dresses, and there's so many that I just really want to check out. And so that means I'll have to go through my existing dresses and just, see if I can pull some things that I haven't worn, or I'm looking at my dresses here, because I don't want to just hoard. But it's okay to switch out, get some new things for this year. So there you have it, just a couple of dresses I wanted to share with you from Walmart, in person. Scoop, and they had Time and True as well. They have cute dresses, a couple that I saw there. I think I might go back and get. And you know, um, I think you saw in a video earlier, Walmart, the styles that they have. It's like they have the traditional shopper, but then they're grabbing a more fashion savvy fashionista with the styles that they have in there. And I looked at the quality and what the fabrics were. And Walmart, they are bringing their game, okay, with the cute clothes. So I really appreciate that because it gives you options. Everyone should be able to wear beautiful clothes and have a beautiful style without breaking the bank or feeling like they are left out because they can't, grab the trends or whatever. You can, because Walmart is really doing it, and other different shops. Um, so yeah, Amazon is another one. So I'm going to be doing more hauls like this because I really want to promote that. Let's not spend tons of money. Now, with the handbags, I've shared how to have the look without spending a lot, but I love my handbags and I will not preach against spending what you want for your handbag because sometimes you just have to do that. So thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time as I shared with you my new dresses from Walmart. Go check them out. I'll leave the information again below. Um, so you know exactly which dresses they are, and also the ones that are on the way to me. And I will share those dresses once I get them and model them for you because I just know I am going to love them. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, and I'll see you next time. Bye.